All right. Cool. So, hello everyone. Welcome to the. Okay, let me share my screen first. Okay, this is better. Sorry. All right. Mhm. So, welcome to the March contributors and maintainers meeting. And thanks, Akhil, for joining today's call. And in these meetings, we usually discuss about the contributions and any issues that you're facing related to any of the contributions that you made, or if you want to ask a certain thing about your own PR, or you want to raise it in some way. This is the place you can do it, and you can always do it in on Slack, but this is the place where you can speak up and share your thoughts about everything about the contributions and your PRs and everything. So this is the place. So yeah, we do contribution and maintenance call every Thursday of uh, second and fourth week of every month, and a community meeting on every third Wednesday of every month. And in community meetings, we usually discuss about the project, the release, and what's going on in the project and where we are heading exactly. So yeah. So with that, we'll begin today's meeting. So we usually start with the introductions. Let me check if anyone else has joined. No, no. Cool. So yeah, an introduction will share about our name, what we do, where are we from, and where did you got to know about that meeting, and what is the purpose of being part of this meeting today. So we'll start with myself. My name is Pritesh. I'm the community manager at LitmusChaos. I take care of everything related to the project and community, starting from maintaining the project, helping you merge your PRs, making them reviewed by getting them reviewed by maintainers, and working on new issues, and moving the project and community forward. So yeah, that's me. Uh, Over to you, Akhil.
Hi Pritesh, I'm Akhil. Currently, I'm an LFX mentee working with the mentors on adding observability metrics to the GraphQL server. It's going good so far, and I hope we can discuss and resolve some issues with the existing PRs. There are some conflicts, so yeah,
Okay,
let's open discussing that.
sure, sure, cool. Awesome. Thanks for that. Uh, so today's agenda is simple. We'll go through the previous contribution that has been made. That's the release basically, and then we'll share a bit about how you can contribute to Litmus. What are the different ways you can contribute, and then we'll open the floor for the questions. So, talking about the contributions that we had last month, this is all we had, and after a good time, we got a good feature that was even praised in the community, in our Slack community. It was by Avnish Jaltare. It was like adding support for targeting jobs in chaos experiments. Long time pending, but it was finally merged, and it's useful for all the new adopters and everyone who's adopting this new version. And great to see that contribution making impact for the adopters, and that's the entire goal of ACNCF project. So that's good. There were other many that 10, 15 PRs that got merged. Most of them were related. Some of them were related to GitOps. Some of them were related to conditional bug fixes. And if you go through it, you'll understand what the changes which were made. All in all, so this is what we haven't had in the last release. We didn't had any major change in the documentation, any other repositories, but on Litmus we have this. We are yet to review the other repositories of Litmus, but hopefully in next release we'll see some more from other repositories as well, and we'll share about it in the next call. So yeah, this was it. And these were, I don't know, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven new contributors joined us. So uh and then in the as a part of the release. So kudos to all of them for making their first contribution to Litmus and looking forward for more contribution. Um Coming to the recent issues, last week itself, in last I think 2 to 3 weeks, we got good set of issues that uh, has been created by some of the users and some of the adopters. And just give me a second. And if you are, most of them are intermediate issues. If you have used Litmus or if you are a contributor to Litmus, you would be able to understand. And if you feel like this is something that you can contribute to, feel free to ask in the GitHub, or you can raise in the Slack as well. If you want to join our Slack channel, you can either go to uh, Litmus website, and there is a join Slack button over here. It will take you to the Kubernetes Slack, in which there is a Slack Litmus Slack channel under the Kubernetes Slack workspace. So if you're wondering, this is how it looks like. There are two channels. One is Litmus and one is Litmus Dev. So any query or contribution related stuff, you can discuss it over here, or here also you can share if you want to. So yeah, cool. Uh, then yeah, I think this is it. Mm, And apart from the main repository of Litmus, if you feel like you want to contribute to some of the other repositories, maybe Chaos Operator or Charts or Helm, um, Litmus Helm, or documentation. For documentation, you can go to Litmus. Where's website? There will be a Litmus Docs. Yeah, so yeah, Litmus Talks, yeah, this one. You can check that out if you want to get started or something. Feel free to contribute to that as well. So this is it. Um, and if you're new to enter contribution world, and you're coming here for the first time and watching this video, then I'd recommend you to first go through all the information which is there in contributing guide, which essentially includes everything you need to know about the project, about how you can get started, how you can choose your first issue that you want to work on, how to set up your environment, and uh, how to sign a DCO and raising PR. What are the PR checklists and highlighted repository that you can be part of, and community and contributor meetings that you can attend in order to learn more about Litmus and learn more about the community and discuss about the contributions that you want to make. So again, a quick guide on, if you want to set up Litmus on your local, you can go to wiki and then you can go to Chaos Center Development Guide. um, and this is where all the information will related to setting up your Litmus on your local will be there. You'll set up your backend, you'll set up your front end server, And yeah, and then you can get started and start fixing or start contributing to Litmus. One more thing, I'll highly recommend you before you get started to go through the documentation. It's not that fast. Even if you spend like good set of hours initially, you'll understand about Litmus and also understand about the architecture. I'll highly recommend to go through the architecture docs. It will give you a high level overview of how Litmus exactly works and what are the internal components and planes that which are responsible for which sort of functioning of the tool. You have chaos control plane, we have chaos execution plane, that is where your chaos center lies, right? So this will help you a lot if you go through, and then you can, be part of a contributions list. So yeah, cool. Uh, Coming back to next part, that is how you can contribute. I already gave you a good guide on how you can get started and go through the documentation, go through the contribution guide, and try to understand the project, set it up locally. And if you're facing any issue, feel free to reach out on Slack, and someone from the community or me can help you out with any issues that you're facing. Um, so yeah. Apart from the code contribution I talked about, you can always, if you are being part of Litmus community for a long time now, you can uh, be a mini advocate or be part of Slack community helping out other people. If you have a concrete answer of anything that has been asked in the channel, you can go ahead and discuss that as well. If you want to discuss yourself something, feel free to start a thread on Slack, and people will jump in for the discussion. You can also create blog content or a video content on your LinkedIn or YouTube or anywhere else if you feel like uh, anything that will help the community grow globally, that can be a contribution from your side to the community. And lastly, you can always share your feedbacks by creating GitHub issues, or you can share it on Slack as well. Anything, any feature that you think can be included, or any bug fix that can help make the project better. So you can do that as well. So yeah, that is how you contribute. And now we'll be opening the floor for the questions.
Perfect. Thank you, Pritesh. So, quick question about that MongoDB operator PR, right? You asked me to work on. I resolved the conflicts and got an approval, but
Hmm.
it's stuck on two failing CI checks that are pre-existing issues, right? Not from my changes.
Okay.
So, what do you
Can you
think?
share the PR to me in this chat? You can check it. Or you can share the, okay, this is here. Okay. Uh, hmm. All right. What is this? Fixing. Okay, this is an old issue, right?
Right.
All right. Approved. Okay. Which are the, I think these are the pre-existing issues. One can be a Trevi. Uh, Let me check if I have the no longer available. I have to run it again. It will run it again. Let me check if there are uh, if those are pre-existing issues. I believe, as you are saying as well, we can merge it. Who has reviewed it? Amit has reviewed it, right? Okay, I'll share. Um, I will share it with I will share it with Amit, and we'll get this merged. If if I still forget, if you still see don't if you don't see any movement here again, feel free to DM me on Slack. That is the best you can do, because every next day we have something else and then we might skip it. But once this is done, I'll for sure forward it to Amit and get this. You anyways share this on Slack right now itself. You can tag Amit that, hey, this has been reviewed, but two checks are failing, and whatever you're saying to me, just write it down and put it on Slack so that we have a record that I can. That will again help me remind that I have to, get this reviewed and merged. So yeah, that will help.
Sure, sounds good.
Yeah. Uh, cool. Think someone joined, someone left, someone again joined, someone again left. But okay. Anything else, Akhil, that you wanna
I
discuss?
think these are the only like current ones with unsolved conflicts or unsolved checks, whatever it is. But there are still a couple of open PRs from I think 3 or 4 months. I'm not sure how long, but
Okay,
I
let
lost
me
track of them.
check. You can share those again. If you feel like anything is not getting attention for a week or two, if you don't share, it will not get attention for 3 4 months. So you have to share it. That's a practice that you follow in open source. You have to keep pinging that. Okay, can we? Is there any review, or can we just merge it, or is there any feedback on this? So you have to keep pinging. But anyways, let me check. Uh, do you know your what?
Just the full name. You can just type
There,
M4AI. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
yeah. Okay, there are two here.
yeah.
Uh, Administration reviewed by Saranya and Sarthak. Okay, you can share this as well. I think this is past that, but okay. What is this exactly? Fixes. Oh, this one, yeah. I think Vedant created.
I mean, they both seem to have a similar issue. Right? Their web unit test. It's something with the front end, not related to the back end.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. And I'll get this checked. Share this in the same message, or you can write a different message for this. But share it on Slack. I'll get this reviewed, and hopefully next release you might see this merged. So yeah, looking forward.
Yeah, perfect.
All right. I think there's no one else we can wait for. If you don't have any questions, hold on, we have to do one more thing before we leave. Mm, that is, we have to fill this. Um, 26 Feb was last, and yeah, what happened? Hmm. Yeah, better. March 26. We have. Can you share your email here?
I'll just put in the chat once.
Yeah.
put it. I can check it out.
Hmm. All right. Thanks. Hmm. Hmm. 3.2, 7.3. Yeah, I think we're good. Thanks, Akhil, for joining the call, and hopefully see you in the next community call. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for your time, Pratish. Have a good one.
Yeah.